Namaskar. Among spices, turmeric is the golden spice. Turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional medicines for its healing property. You probably know that it contains an active ingredient called curcumin, which has a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Today, we'll be discussing the benefits of turmeric for inflammation. I will give you a recipe for an antibiotic drink you can make at home. Let's understand benefits of turmeric for inflammation. Inflammation is a natural response of a body for immune system to injury or infection. It shows up as redness, swelling, heat, pain, or loss of function. Turmeric can help to reduce inflammation in the body very effectively. Let's understand natural antibiotic drink recipe. This drink is not only delicious but also has several benefits. You will need fresh turmeric root, fresh chopped ginger, black pepper, juice of lemon, honey and coconut water. So now let's make a drink. Add the turmeric, ginger, black pepper and coconut water into a blender. Blend until it's a smooth mixture. Pour the mixture into a glass. Then add the lemon juice and honey and give a nice stir. Enjoy it chilled or warm. You may have 200 to 250 ml of this drink per day. It is better to take this drink in a daytime as a mid-meal option. Avoid it in the evening as it may cause bloating. We have seen that turmeric has several health benefits, including anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. This natural antibiotic drink is an excellent way to drink turmeric, to bring turmeric into your diet and boost your immune system. So try this recipe at home and experience its benefits. Namaskar.